Welcome to Shri Astrovascu's YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, so stay tuned till the end because in today's videos we are going to discuss about a lot of facts, fun facts, sarcasm and a lot of new details. If I ask you a question, do you know that one YouTuber who is trending due to elections? Any guesses? If you say Dhruv Rathi, then congratulations. You have got a keen eye for the political drama. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of Dhruv Rathi's video and his main agenda. Brace yourself, folks, because today we are about to discuss Dhruv Rathi with some juicy facts. Now, why is our dear Dhruv Rathi constantly poking, making fun at Hinduism or BJP in his videos? It's like watching a Bollywood movie where the director is a clueless filmmaker because nor he have got angles nor he have got all the script ready, but he's just bashing no matter what, and taking just one side and one part. He just wants to make a film, so he just makes it and uploads the videos. Is he getting money for that from some party? Because there is a possibility. Because usually you take one side only when you are too biased and you get something out of it. Or it's just for TRP. Because as we can see in his videos, you can easily see it over here, that before 1.5 months or 2 months ago, his videos were pretty natural. But as the elections came up, he constantly, kept on walking and taking side, or saying negative things only for one party only. Or as he says, Andha Bhakt of BJP, he is just an Andha hater of BJP. Because while Dhruv is bashing BJP, he constantly forgets to shine light on other sensitive topics like liquor scam or government job scam. Why the selective outreach? Like, why just one party? Why can't you discuss about all the things that is happening if you are so fair and if you are so, dedicated towards the public? Afraid of offending certain groups? Out. So the main question remains, is Dhruv Rathi just a man with a camera or a man with a mission and a paycheck? Behind those charming smiles, is he the man he shows he is? At the end, he has a lifestyle to maintain with all the luxury stuff which he is showing off, or he have the cars and the house and everything. Now, let's talk about numbers, shall we? BJP. You love them or hate them, they have always emerged higher than before. In 2014, BJP won 282 seats alone and NDA 336 seats. In 2019, BJP won 303 seats alone and NDA 353 seats. And now, with the slogan like Ab ki baar, 400 baar, they are aiming higher. 2024 target for BJP is 370 seats alone, and for NDA it's 400 plus. Looks like Dhruv's anti-BJP video aren't making much of a dent. With that comes Dhruv's interview with Ravish Kumar, who is known for his left-leaning views, as you know, and Manish Sisodiya, who got some shady business in liquor scam. Bird of the same feather? Perhaps. As we all know, Samgati ka asar to hona hi hoga. So maybe they have just brushed up on Dhruv Rathi. Now, here is the kicker. Dhruv loves to bash astrology. But guess what? He is all about Shubh Muhurat rituals and mantra chanting when it suits him. He have married a German woman. He could have done it by their rituals or just by doing court marriages when he have got so much problems about astrology and Hinduism and everything as such. But he did it following Hindu rituals where astrology comes into place. He have chanted mantras and fixed a pandit, took out the perfect muhurat to get married and everything. Talk about double standards. Or Let's not forget Dhruv's privacy policy, which is like very subject. He is quick to hide behind closed doors when it comes to his own family home in Haryana. Because when he was roaming around in his backyard, that time he was very quick to say that I'm not going to show you the whole property because it's like privacy is in concern.
ये दादी के घर का गार्डन है, यहाँ पे नींबू का पेड़ उगा है। ज्यादा मैं दिखाऊंगा नहीं ताकि प्राइवेसी मेंटेन रहे।
But when it comes to showing off his girlfriend's, that also mother-in-law and father-in-law's house, he was very proud and upfront about it. He showed it like, he was flaunting it. The backyard, the front yard, the house.
Wow, this looks like the balcony of some 5-star hotel. You must be very rich. Is this the garden of your parents?
Yeah, my mom loves gardening.
Obviously, it was beautiful, but suddenly privacy is not important. Seems like cozy Germany, far away from the chaos, loves to just stare up. Must be nice. But you know what? The real tragedy or irony is the person who is making so many dictator videos accepted the citizenship like a scoop of a ice cream given to a child. Well, the word dictator came into place after this, country because of Hitler. Because Hitler was the main, dictator as we know, and after that there has been few, but the main what came after him. And he was very happy to accept the citizenship of that place. And right now he is making and spamming his whole YouTube account with dictatorship video or dictator video. Our senior astrologer have given this prediction that the time of birth was not accurate, but then also there were there were times or there will be times in near future when he and his spouse might have some issues between them. I know he doesn't follow astrology, but if you are seeing or if you came to know about it, then be a little bit connected with your spouse. It will be more better for you, and if not, then I hope you do well in your life. So there you have it, folks. Dhruv Rathi, the YouTube sensation, with a crack of steering the boat. But remember, no matter what, how much you dig on filth or you spread mud over others, the lotus will continue to bloom even in the muddy area, even in the pond where there is a lot of garbage. So keep spreading love and not propaganda. Stay tuned, stay happy, and stay sarcastic.